Monsoon season. This is what you think of, right? Look at the water just pouring down. But actually, that's not what it means. Monsoons are actually a seasonal reversal of winds. Now that can bring a lot of rain. As you see, it usually does bring a lot of rain, and that's why monsoon season is associated with the wet season or the rainy season. But technically, it is just a reversal of winds that happen seasonally. So let's look at this one. The Asian monsoon, right, what we were just watching. It affects India, China, Korea, Japan, and surrounding areas. So what happens here is, in the wintertime, you've got your Siberian high, and so everything's moving away, right? It's moving away from it. So the wind's coming from the interior over the Himalayas and down, right, into the ocean. However, in the summertime, reversal of the winds, right? There's a low up here, so everything wants to rush into the low, and it goes up from the ocean into India and over top of the Himalayas. Right, so you see that reversal, and then over here with Japan and China, it's coming from that high. Well, now it's coming into the low, in from the ocean. So it's just rain, 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 because the winds are bringing it. Right? The winds are coming from the ocean instead of from the land. And as you can probably see, because I did say highs and lows, but the monsoon is driven by pressure differences. So we have a monsoon here in North America. It's actually over in Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, that area, that usually what you think of as a desert. And yeah, okay, it's still a desert, because if you look at the precipitation here, this is days of the year, even in the monsoon season, you're getting 6 centimeters. It's not a lot, right? But here, the one that we were just watching, in their monsoon season, they're getting over 30 centimeters. So you see the difference, right? It's still the wet season or the monsoon season, but it's a lot less. And why is that? Well, because it's coming this way, right? It's got to go over a lot of that land before it gets into the Arizona, Nevada, Mexico area, right? Same up here. Before it hits Arizona, it's got to go all the way over here. So it takes a lot of that out before it even gets there.